Yeah, we are here on our second edition of SOM Easter Open Chess Championship. This edition is way better than the first edition we had last year, 2024. So this is 2025 edition, and it's held here at SOM Chess Academy in Katwe. Such a tournament serves as a competitive event, but it also portrays the SOM Chess Academy's commitment to nurture the generations using chess and getting good leaders out of these almost forgotten communities. The Academy firmly believes in the transformative power of chess, providing young enthusiasts with access to life coaching, education opportunities, as we continue to restore hope and transform their lives to make them better citizens of Uganda. So SOM Chess Academy is holding this a much anticipated event whereby we are having players from USA. We are having another contingent coming in from Kenya of 8 players. We expect players from Rwanda, South Sudan, as well as our top players in Uganda are also going to take part in this edition. The trophies and the cash prize is worth 10 million Uganda shillings, and it's an event where people even have to get lunch as they play. It's running from Good Friday tomorrow all the way to Easter Monday. It's federated, and some of the players look forward to playing this event because they want to get ratings from the international chess body. So we will be having our arbiters, arbiter Derek Mirembe, arbiter Chimera Innocent, who is currently in Nigeria and is flying in tomorrow morning to come and officiate this event. We hope to see some of the defending champions like Egesa Emmanuel, who took last year's event, and Patricia Kauma, a product of SOM Chess Academy, who took the ladies category as well. She's right now at school writing her exams, but she plans to join tomorrow morning. She's not had enough time to practice, but I believe she'll be able to put up a good fight to defend her title for this event.